Hello, my name is Daniel Saravia. I am a student here at Lake Trade Tech College. What we're going to be doing today is reassembling a Pintle Injector. This is how it looks assembled. This is disassembled, so we're going to reassemble it to look exactly like that. So we're going to start with this, the cap. This is the needle nozzle assembly. And we have the spindle and the follower spring. We've got to make sure that the spindle sits on top of that needle valve, because if it doesn't, we will have problems. And then we finish off with the spring pressure nut. And there's an assembled Pintle Injector.